There's a viral trend going on social media where people are taking their picture, uploading it, and turning themselves into AI action figures. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. So all you have to do is use ChatGPT on the computer, chatgpt.com. If you're doing this on your phone, you have to download the ChatGPT app. And inside of ChatGPT, you have to type out this prompt right here, which I'll include in the description below this video. I want to show you 3 different styles. We'll start with this one. So create a realistic action figure Barbie doll style of the person in this photo. So we still have to upload the photo. I'll show you this in a second. The doll should be full body figure displayed in the original plastic box packaging. At the top of the box is the name of the toy, and this is where you would type in the name of the person you want. It could be your name if you're doing this for yourself. Underneath, there should be a subheadline that says author, so this would be the profession if you want that. And I'll give you the template, so those are going to be placeholders for you. In the packaging, next to the figure, include accessories such as, and then list 3 or 4 items like pen, computer, and coffee cup. So that's the prompt for this Barbie style. I'll show you the couple of different styles in a second. Then we're gonna press the plus sign right here, upload from a computer, find the picture that you have on your computer and press enter. It will appear here. So the picture, the prompt that goes next to the picture, and then press send. You could do this only a couple of times if you have the free ChatGPT account per day. But if you upgrade your ChatGPT account, it's $20 a month, and you could do this as much as you want right now. Okay, so here's the before. And here is the after, and you just have to click on it right here, and then you could download it right on top. Just press save and it downloads it to your computer. Now let's do it again, same thing. Press the plus sign, upload the picture, but this time I'm gonna use a different prompt. Again, I'll include that in the description too. This is to create a realistic action figure of a female teacher named Michelle. And then again, I give it all the same information here, and you could pause it if you wanna read through it, but I'm gonna send this out. Here's the before. And here's the after in the more hyper-realistic style. So to compare the two, this is the Barbie style, this is the hyper-realistic style, and there's one more style I'll show you. So this one's gonna say, create a cartoon-style, claymation-inspired action figure of a person named Joe. So a lot of it is gonna be the same. Again, copy and paste the prompt for yourself, and I uploaded the picture. I'll show you what this ends up looking like here. Okay, so here's the before, and here is the after.